In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up MSI Afterburner on-screen display for in-game hardware monitoring. We'll start by opening MSI Afterburner. This is the tool that reads your system's sensors, so you can keep an eye on things like GPU temperature, CPU usage, and more while you play or run demanding apps. Once it's open, look for the small settings gear icon. Clicking that opens the configuration window where you decide exactly what you want to see on screen. Inside the settings window, go to the Monitoring tab. This is where all available hardware metrics are listed. Click on any metric you want to display in your overlay. Popular choices include GPU temperature, GPU usage, VRAM usage, CPU temperature, CPU usage, RAM usage, and frame rate. After you select a metric, check the box labeled Show in on-screen display. That checkbox is what tells Afterburner to send that specific value to the overlay. Repeat this for any other metrics you want. A quick tip: choose only what you'll actually read during gameplay. Too many numbers can clutter the screen and make it harder to focus. When you're happy with your selection, click OK to save your settings. Next, open RivaTuner Statistics Server from the system tray. You'll find its icon near your clock. It installs alongside Afterburner and is responsible for drawing the overlay on top of your game. Once RivaTuner is open, make sure on-screen display is set to on. That single switch determines whether the overlay appears at all, so it's important that it's enabled. The default settings are fine for most setups, and you don't need to change anything else for the overlay to work. Now launch a game or any 3D application. After a moment, you should see your chosen metrics appear in a corner of the screen. Expect simple, readable text showing live values that update in real time. If you don't see the overlay right away, let the game load into actual gameplay where the scene is being rendered, since the display may not show on static menus. Also remember that the information you see corresponds exactly to what you enabled in the Monitoring tab, so the overlay will only show the metrics you selected. That's all there is to it.